Hey guys, this is Sam here with Abeloff GMC Kia. I'm here sitting in a 2024 Kia K5, and in this video I'm going to talk about the next K5, the 2025, because people always loved the K5 after it replaced the Optima. Everything from its aggressive, distinct look to its 2.5 liter turbo engine option to the fact that you could even get it in all-wheel drive. Not a lot of sedans you can do that with nowadays. But as of 2024, the vehicle is about to get even better. So in this video, I'm going to go over what we know about this gorgeous sedan so far and when you can expect it to start hitting the lot here at Abeloff GMC Kia in East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. But in the meantime, if you're interested in a 2025 K5, give us a call at 570-421-9900 and always make sure to ask for Sam. We can reserve inbound units for you. We do out-of-state deals every day, and we also sell GMCs and pre-owned vehicles too. Otherwise, let's get to it and start talking about the exciting changes on this facelifted sports sedan. So to start with, we're going to get more athletic styling. This is going to begin with the honeycomb grille pattern, vertical wings for the daytime running lights to give it a wider look, and they're also going to be amber on all models, all trim levels. And in the 2024s, the LX and EX had, I believe, halogen taillights, if not halogen and an LED combo. All exterior lighting in 2025, all of it is going to be LED. All exterior lighting is also meant to further emphasize Kia's new star map design language. And there's also going to be a spoiler integrated into the deck lid. Something really cool is that the GT is going to have neon brake calipers, which was a cue that they actually took from the EV6 GT. Onto performance, they're going to keep the upgraded engine, the 2.5, because it's just such a popular engine option, but they're actually changing the specs on the standard engine. The new one, instead of having 180 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque, it's going to have 190 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. The suspension system has also been fine-tuned to deliver an even better ride feel and quality, so if you're driving a 2025, you can very reasonably expect it to feel a little bit different from the 2024. Onto the interior, luxurious touches are going to be sprinkled across the interior to provide a more wider and modernized look, and this is going to include the new dual panoramic curved display. It integrates a digital cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen in the center. As far as the connective technology, this is a new thing that Kia is starting to do with their navigation system. You're going to get over-the-air navigation updates, and I believe this is the first Kia vehicle to get this. It's going to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, regarding the more advanced driver assistance systems, there's going to be forward collision avoidance assist, which is what detects vehicles, cyclists, and other objects, pedestrians, front and rear parking distance warning, and a big one that they're putting in all their larger vehicles, like the Telluride, the EV9, and the Carnival, is a surround view monitor, as well as a blind spot monitor. That'll be available on the 2025 K5s too. Now, for anyone who hears this and they're like, all right, new standard engine, fine-tuned suspension, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, surround view and blind spot view monitor, like, Sam, I gotta take one of these for a drive. When the heck is it hitting the lot? We're expecting these to start hitting our lot sometime around late spring 2024. I'm gonna drop a link to our new K5s in the description below if you want to take a look at those. But if you want any more info about the 2025 K5 and the redesign and everything, again, give us a call at 570-421-9900 and always ask for Sam. I'm gonna be putting a video out about the new Carnival as well pretty shortly, and right now I'm in the process of making a different video going over every single trim level of every single vehicle that we have, Kia and GMCs. If you're looking for more info on these vehicles and everything that they have to offer, make sure to smash that like button. But thank you so much for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.